Hello everyone and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at the 5th wave of Gashapon crystals for Ultraman Rube. I know I said I was probably going to stop buying these, but I think I had this and I think one more set pre-ordered, so I just let the pre-orders stand. I'm not pre-ordering any more. I don't know how much farther past 6 they're going to go. Probably not much because the show's kind of wrapping up, but here we are. We have some capsules to open, so we'll take a look and see what we got. I feel like I'm about to summon Shenron. I got the Dragon Balls working here. Anyway, let's go ahead and we'll start opening these and see what we got. So we got the first one here. I gotta cut this. There's always so much tape on these things. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. So, taking a look at the little pamphlet that comes with these. It looks like, this guy looks like his name is Nice. So we have Nice. We have Powered. We have Great. Then we have this Kaiju. It looks like Pikachu? That's the Fry Guy looking guy from Orb, I think. Or maybe it was X. I think it was X. In any case, moving on. We have Ginga Victory, then we have a super rare Ginga Victory, we have Saga, we have Jack, and we have Ultraman. Now these four, with the exception of the rare version, just the regular Ginga Victory, Saga, Jack, and Ultraman, I already have. These three came from, I think this one was in Deluxe Set 5, I think this was in Deluxe Set 6, and this came with the tambourine weapon, which name escapes me right now. So I already have all these. So these are the four that I'm going to be looking for. So fingers crossed, we'll see what we get. Right off the bat, opening up the first bag, and we have, I can't tell. Open up, open up. All right, we got Nice. Very cool. So right off the bat, we're doing well. We've got 7 more of these to open, and we need 3 more crystals here. I'm trying to figure out exactly where I have to cut these to open them. All right. Second bag, we have, I think this is Ultraman. Yes, that is regular Ultraman. I don't think any other ones are orange. No. So any orange ones are Ultraman. So that is one that we already have. That's right. We're 1 for 2. It's not terrible. So going ahead, continuing on. Opening this third one. And we have, oh, we have a different one. We have a different one. I think this might be one we want. All right, we got Powered. Woohoo! Excellent. So far, we have Nice and Powered. We need a white one that is Great, and then we need the Kaiju one. And I wouldn't mind the rare one, although that never ever happens. So we'll see. So hopefully, with these last 5, we can get the last 2 that we need. Alright, bag number 4. Alright, I think we have the white one here. Oh no, actually I'm wrong. This is Ginga Victory, it looks like. So that is a duplicate. So moving along. Moving along to the... Oh, that was the 4th one. This is the 5th one. I can't count. Alright, let's see. And this is another Ultraman. So, boo. Alright, we got 3 left. I'm starting to get a little scared here. Need Kaiju, and we need whatever that other one was that now escapes me. Great, I think it was. This is Jack, so that's a duplicate. Okay, okay. Come on, Great. Come on, Kaiju. The problem is when HLJ gives these out, they just pull 8 at random. So you're not guaranteed to get anything. Alright, here's Great. Here is Great. So that's awesome. So, we got Nice, we got Powered, we got Great. We just need the Kaiju. Kaiju, Kaiju, Kaiju. Come on, Kaiju. Come on, Fry Guy. Alright. This is our last one. Oh, it's another Great. Man, for the Fry Guy looking dude is the one I wanted the most. That's really a bummer. Well, if anyone has any and they'd like to trade, I have several to trade. But yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I don't know, I don't think he was rare. It didn't look like he was. Usually when I only need like 4 and they give me 8, I usually have a decent track record. But at least I got 3 out of 4 of the ones I needed, so I'll be looking at those in a minute. But as far as extras go, we got 2 Ultraman, which I don't need at all. Ginga Victory, a Great, and a Jack. So, I don't know why there's such a high concentration of Ultraman. I guess he's Ultraman. He's the most popular. Anyway, I'll bring in the gyro and we can get the sounds for these 3. Alright, so we'll take a look at each of these. Here is Nice. I do like this one quite a bit. I don't think the sounds are going to make a difference depending on which version I choose here, but we'll give it a shot. So, Ultra Hero, super generic sound. Nothing significant for this guy. Looks cool. Sounds are lame. Let's try... Oh, this guy is Powered. I like how he has giant glowing blue eyes. I think that's pretty cool. So, he also reads as Ultra Hero, which means he's going to have nothing for sounds. Then last up we have Great. Let's see Ultra Hero as well. Okay. At least the Kaiju, well, to be honest, I don't know. Probably would have just said Ultra Monster or something like that. I don't know. So, here's the thing. This, like I said, this is probably why I'm stopping with these. I know I say that every time. But like I said, I have at least one more pre-order, so I'll finish Gashapon 6 and then I'm done. I mean, they look cool. I definitely like the look of them, but none of them offer new sounds in the gyro, so, you know, it is what it is. At this point, collect these if you enjoy what they look like, because the sounds have never been that great, and now they've gotten to the point where there's no more sounds in the gyro, so you're only collecting them for the aesthetic, which, I mean, I do like them. I think this guy's my favorite. I don't know why. I just like his design. He looks like he's a gymnast. I don't know. His suit just makes me think of gymnastics or something. And I really like the eyes on Powered. I think that's really neat. I think he's a robot, if I remember correctly. I don't know. In any case, here are the 3 new crystals that I got, and I'm really bummed I didn't get the little monster guy. But what are you going to do? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.